Here's some my easy garden kind of going off. Starting to look very full. I need to start eating this thing. So here's a soil one, there's basil, some rats. Got a couple of my plants here. They didn't touch the hydro one for some reason. But I need to start eating this thing because it's gonna start going to flowering. And that's one of the things, like you'll grow this big garden and then you need to utilize it and eat it too. So I'm gonna show you how I do that right here. One hand, but I'm gonna try to just go in here and clip off, at least start clipping the bottom leaves. And I'm gonna go through and just trim off what you want to eat. And I'm gonna make, this is a bunch of kale right here, so I'm gonna probably make like a little smoothie, use some of the kale. Maybe I'll just do a kale smoothie with like banana and stuff. But I gotta trim this thing up, start eating it. Trim this thing up really good. And I let some of them grow so much. I should have been using it more. So I just kind of trimmed off the whole thing, and I might replant right there. But like this basil plant is doing good, I'll leave that. Here's another basil down here that was being hidden. There's some cilantro back here that I haven't touched, and I should start eating that too. But I might just replace some of these right here that I just kind of trimmed all the way off. This lettuce plant, probably replace that too. But that's all it's a lot of greens right there, all edible, all fresh, all really good. So I'm gonna go make some food with that. Salad maybe, smoothie, and I'm gonna show you how I replant these ones too. These are the starters that I did that grew to eat over there that I just trimmed up, and they've just been sitting here the whole time, and they're not growing very much because they're not in a good environment to grow. But these ones might be too far, maybe a couple of them. But here's a bunch of kale. Maybe I'll go refill them with kale and some other stuff. So it's real simple. Since I have all these, I'll take this one. There's some roots coming out right there. I'll come right over to my easy garden. I'm gonna pull out this one and I'll put this right in there. So here we go. I'll just pull this out. There's the root system right there. Plants had it though, so I will take it out of this net cup and I'll put that one in there. This one's in, and it's gonna go right into the garden. So now we're growing more kale. All the kale that I pulled out of here that's down there. And I'll have more kale in like a week or two. I'm gonna go ahead and replace some more of these, but just to look, I mean, look at this. All this lettuce growing out of this little hole. Look at that root system. That's crazy. Look at that. I might trim off a few more leaves and eat them, but I'm gonna replace this one too. This is one of the kales I'm pulling out. And it comes out pretty easy, but look how crazy that is. Huge root systems. That's why they grow so good in my easy garden, because the roots can just grow. These are probably some other ones I'm pulling from the other side. Like this one. Another root system. Pulling that out. Oh, this one right here. It's actually growing up. I'll replace that. And I'll replace... So I don't want to replace this one. This is the basil. It's a really nice basil plant, but I'll just put it over here since I'm already over here. Cilantro is doing good. I'll replace this one. Look at that, you guys. It's nuts. And that's it. So I got this one too. And that's the basil. But I might want to just So it looks like I just need to replace 1, 2, 3, 4 more plants. Big basket of lettuce, greens. I put new starters in. There's a little cilantro, a little kale. I put this one in there, and one back there. So now it's, you know, I probably should have been cutting off of the garden a bit sooner instead of cutting it all off at once, but it is what it is. So that's it, you guys. That's how you just eat from your garden and put new plants in there to grow more and just keep the cycle going. You can do this all year. Little bundles of lettuce. I can't eat all this today, so I'm gonna probably have some for dinner and then probably use a little bit of this for smoothies, the kale. So, you know, I feel like a healthy little smoothie right now with some kale, and I'll figure out some other stuff to put in there. And I'm gonna make something right now. Not bad. Kale, a part of a banana, a part of an apple, water, and ice. Seriously, this is not that bad. I thought it was gonna be way worse, but looks pretty healthy to me. All from My Easy Garden.